So here's my quick and dirty Dart Sport update video. You'll notice this car is not painted. It's actually surface rusting. I had to go get it the other day from my painter associate, I'll call him. Yeah, I'll try to post a picture of what this used to look like. But it was basically that dark blue color all over. I didn't think it looked that bad, but now it's got Bondo on every corner and surface rust and funk and crap that I have to redo, but I'll do it on the channel. I've got the motor built for it. That was my 360 engine build series. If y'all hadn't seen that, check it out. Transmissions built. It's just a 904. Actually has a lockup converter, 2500 stall. Torque flight, like a Transgo stage 2 shift kit in it. And I actually, if you haven't seen my other video, I've cut down an 8.8 rear end out of a Crown Victoria to go in this car. It's a 327 with a kind of whatever their Positrack is, kind of a locker deal. So the car should be pretty cool. It'll be a nice street car. I'm still planning on trying it out at the racetrack someday, but man, it hurts my heart to see it like this. At least the hood's kind of primed. Like it, before I just stuck the hood in there and kind of strapped it in. It looks kind of funky, but trunk lid needs a lot of love. I think I've got a couple extra fenders that I got the other day with those demons. 2 cars, 1 day. 12 hours? 14 hours? Hell, call it 12 hours.
You left it, what, 6?
I may put those on instead of these extra rusty Bondo ones, but I don't know. I'll see. But whatever it is, I'll show it to y'all. I appreciate you watching, and hopefully I'll have better news next time.